In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML in a Gmail email. Now, you might have encountered some limitations when trying to send beautifully crafted HTML emails through Gmail. Unfortunately, Gmail doesn't natively support this option, but don't worry, because there's a handy way around it by utilizing a browser extension. First things first, you'll need to add this particular extension to your browser. Open your browser, head over to the extension store, and search for an extension that allows HTML insertion into Gmail. Once you've found it, simply follow the on-screen instructions to add it to your browser. This process is straightforward, but make sure to choose an extension that's well-reviewed and reliable. After installation, you might need to restart your browser or log back into your Gmail account to see the new changes. If you're unsure about which extension to choose, some popular ones have been consistently praised for their performance and ease of use. Remember, the right extension is key to making this process seamless. Once your extension is set up, go ahead and open your Gmail account. Try composing a new email just as you normally would. Now, here's the exciting part. Take a look at the toolbar within the email composition window, and you should notice a brand new icon. This icon is specifically for adding HTML. It might look like a little code symbol or something similar, depending on the extension you've installed. Click on this icon, and you'll see that a coding field appears specifically designed for HTML input. This is where you can paste or write your HTML code. If you're not familiar with writing in HTML, there are plenty of resources and templates online to help you get started. You can easily create stunning visual emails by including various HTML tags and styles. Just ensure your HTML code is simple and straightforward, as not all complex HTML might render correctly in all email clients. Once you've entered your desired HTML into the coding field, take a moment to review it. This ensures everything looks how you want it. If you're satisfied with how your HTML code looks in the preview, go ahead and click Insert. This will place your HTML beautifully into the body of your email. At this point, you can add any additional text or attachments as you would with any standard email. And just like that, you're ready to send your custom HTML embedded email to your recipient list. It's a fantastic way to make your emails pop and stand out in any inbox. For business promotions, newsletters, or simply adding a personal touch, HTML can take your email game up a notch. Thanks for joining. Have fun experimenting with HTML in Gmail. Happy emailing!